Maths Checkpoint, Book 3, Chapter number 1, Integers, Powers and Roots. Exercise 1.1a. Work out the following additions. Plus 5.3 plus minus 3.5. Here first of all we have to eliminate the double sign. Plus into minus will be minus. Plus 5.3 minus 3.5. We can solve in the rough. 5.3 minus 3.5. 13 minus 5 is 8. 1.8. The answer is plus 1.8. Second one. 1.7. Here there is double sign. We have to eliminate one of the sign. Plus into minus will be minus 1.4. The answer will be 0.3. Problem number C. 1.0. Eliminate the double sign. Plus into minus is minus 3.6. The answer will be minus 2.6. 2a. Minus 3.4. Double sign, we have to eliminate one of the sign. Plus into plus will be plus 1.5. You can solve in the rough. 3.4 minus 3.4 plus 1.5. 14 minus 5 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer will be minus 1.9. Why is this minus 1.9? Because the sign of the greater number we will put in the answer. 3.4 is greater than 1.5, so the sign of minus will come over here. Minus 7.5. Eliminate the double sign. Plus into plus will be plus 5.1. We can solve in the rough. Minus 7.5 plus 5.1. Subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 2 minus 5 is sign of the greater number. Greater number is 7.5. Therefore answer will be minus 2.4. Question number C. Minus 1.8 plus. Okay, we have to eliminate the double sign. Plus into minus will be minus 1.7. Minus 1.8 and minus 1.7. We have to add and put the sign of greater number. Which is the greater number? 1.8 is a greater number. Sign is minus. 8 plus 7 is 15 and 3.5. The answer will be minus 3.5. Question number 3a. Minus 5.5. Eliminate the double sign. Plus and minus. Plus into minus will be minus 4.5. Minus 5.5 and minus 4.5. Which number is greater? 5.5 is greater. The sign is minus, so minus will be the sign, but we have to add two negative numbers. When we come across the two negative numbers, we have to add. 5 plus 5 is 0 and 10. Answer is minus 10. Question number B. Minus 1.7. There is a double sign. Plus into minus is minus 1.1. We get the two negative numbers, minus 1.7 and minus 1.1. Which number is greater? Number 1.7 is greater, so the sign of minus 8, 2.8 is the answer. Minus 2.8 is the answer. Next one, minus 7.1, we have to eliminate the double sign. Plus into minus will be minus 1.5. Both the numbers are negative. Minus 8.6 is the answer. Next is minus 5.3. We have to eliminate the double sign. Plus into plus is plus. 4.3. Here again the double sign is there. We have to eliminate one of the sign. Plus into minus will be minus. Now we have to solve this one first. Minus 5.3 plus 4.3. Which is the greater number? Greater number is 5.3. So the sign of minus will come here. 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Minus 1. So the answer is 1.0. And this is remaining 1.6 minus 1.6. Now both the numbers are negative. We will add. Answer is 2.6. Okay. Minus 8.3. There is a double sign. Plus into minus is minus 3.5. Here again double sign is there. Plus into plus will be plus 1.6. We have to add this both negative numbers. Minus 8.3 minus 3.5, 8, 11.8 minus 11.8 minus 11.8 plus 1.6. If we subtract, which is the greater number? 11.8 is the greater number, so sign of greater number will be 10.2. Plus 1.7. Here again double sign is there. Plus into minus will be minus 2.6. Again plus into minus will be minus 2.3. Okay. First we will solve this. Minus 2.6 plus 1.7. 16 minus 7 is 9 and 0.9. Answer is minus 0.9 minus, this is remaining 2.3. 2.3. Okay, we can add this both. Sign of greater number is 2.3. Okay. 2.3 minus 0.9. This is also minus. 9 plus 3 is 12. 3.2 minus 3.2 is the answer. Okay, next is plus 5.43. Double sign are there. Minus into plus is minus 3.45. Okay, you just have to subtract 5.43 minus 3.45. This will become 3. 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay. 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1.98 is there. Okay. Plus 11. Again there are double signs, minus into plus will be minus 4.55. okay, we just have to subtract 4.55, subtract it. We can add the zeros here. Now this will become 0, this will become 10, cancel again, it will become 9, 1. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, then 10 minus 4 is 6. The answer is 6.45. Question number 6a. Plus 13, double sign are there, minus into plus will be minus 4.56. Just have to subtract 4.56. We can add zeros for calculation. This will become 2. This becomes 10. 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Answer is 8.44. Next one, B. Plus 4.5. Double signs are there. We have to eliminate one of the sign. Minus into plus will be minus 6.25. Do in the rough. 6.25 and plus 4.5. We can add a 0 here for the calculation. We have to subtract. Okay, 5 minus 0 is 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 1.75. Sign of the greater number, it will be minus. See, in this both 6.25 is greater, so the sign of minus will be here, 1.75. Plus 12, double signs are there. We have to remove one. Minus into plus will be minus 5.37. Just subtract it over here in the rough. 5.37. We have to minus. We can add 2 zeros here for the calculation. Cut 1. This will become 10. This is 9, and this become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. Answer is 6.63. okay, minus 6. Double signs are there. We have to eliminate. Minus into plus will be minus 3.876 minus 3.87. We can add a point and 0, 0. Okay, this becomes 5. This becomes 10. Again carried. This becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 5 minus 3 is 2. We have to add it. Both are negative numbers, we can add it. Minus 9.387. Sorry, minus 9.87. I'll write the answer again. 9.87. Minus 14. Double signs are there. We have to eliminate one sign. Minus into plus is minus 14.5. Both the numbers are negative numbers. We can add it directly. Sign of minus, because 14.5 is greater and the sign is minus. So minus will come here, over here. 28.5 is the answer. Next one, again minus 22.5. Double signs are here. Minus into plus will be minus 22.5. Both the numbers are negative. We can add it. The sign of greater number, minus 45. Okay, minus 9.3, double signs, we have to eliminate one. Minus into minus will be plus 15.7. Okay, you can do the calculation over here. 15.7 minus 9.3, 7 minus 3 is 4, 15 minus 9 is 6, minus 6.4. Sign of the greater number, sorry, plus 6.4. The greater number is 15.7, so plus 7, yes, we have to add. This will become 15. 25. The answer is 6.4. We have to subtract it. Minus 3.67, minus into minus will be plus 12.33. Just subtract it. 12.33 minus 3.67, this will become 2. 13 minus 7 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 11 minus 3 is 8. Answer is 8.66. The last problem of the exercise, minus 4.18, double signs are there, we have to add 11.56 sorry, 11.56 minus 4.18. Okay, this will become 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. 11 minus 4 is 7. Answer is 7.38. End of the exercise. Hope you understood the questions. Thank you.